Hello YouTubers! So we just finished doing our oil change in our town and country van. And our next step is to reset the oil change due warning light. So let's turn on the car and take a look. Notice you see our warning light, oil change due. The first thing I do is remove my thick floor matting away from my gas pedal. First, we turn off our car on the off position. Then we turn it on the on position, but do not start your car. Then we quickly press on the gas pedal all the way down fully 3 times. And you have to do this within about 10 seconds. Then turn it back on the off position. Just to let you know, it took me about 2 or 3 times to get it right. So just do the process again if you didn't get it the first time. So now let's start the vehicle to see if you did it right. And now we see there is no more warning light. So if this video has helped you out, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.